All right, so I've got some different leaves and leaf shapes and leaf arrangements to show you today. First with the monocots. Remember, they have parallel venation. So you can see those parallel veins running in one direction through these leaves. So that would be characteristic of the monocots. Dicots, however, are going to have netted venation. So in this leaf, you can see that there's one main vein that branches, and then it continues branching smaller and smaller branches, forming a network of veins throughout the leaf tissue. So the parallel veins don't do that. They all just run in one direction without that branching. And the netted veins in a eudicot, you can see, form that network. Okay, also we've got leaves that can be opposite or alternate. Here you see the opposite arrangement. So the two leaves at a node are opposite each other on the stem, versus an alternate arrangement. So here there's just one leaf at a node, and they sort of alternate on different sides of the stem as you go up. So that's opposite and alternate. Here's another one that's opposite. You can clearly see they are two leaves at a node. Here's another one that's alternate. And I couldn't find any that were whorled. If I find another one later, I will make another video. And then we've got lots of different kinds of leaf shapes as well. We've got our sort of standard elliptic or oval shaped leaf, sort of what I call boring leaf shape. And we've got some that are sort of heart shaped. We've got some that have teeth on the margin. So if you can see these tiny little teeth, they're serrated. We've got some that are lobed. You can see the tissue branches into these lobes, sort of like really big teeth, but they have teeth on the lobes even. So lots of different leaf shapes that we can find. And then we can also, these are all simple leaves that we've been looking at, but we can also have compound leaves. This is when the leaf tissue divides into leaflets. So this is all one leaf, and you can tell because of where the bud is. So the bud is down here on the stem. This is the petiole, and all of this is the leaf, but it's divided up into leaflets. And this one would be in a pinnate arrangement on opposite sides of the mid-vein or mid-rachis of the leaf, like the sides of a feather, sort of a feather shape, like a fern also. So pinnately compound. I didn't have one that was, well, this one is almost, not really quite palmately compound. This one's really close to palmately compound. It's not truly palmately compound, but for our purposes, I couldn't find another one. So they're all connecting to close to a central point anyway, rather than branching along the sides of that mid-rachis of the compound leaf. So palmately compound, pinnately compound. Here's another one that's also compound, palmately compound. With this one has a special name called trifoliate because there's only 3 leaflets, and the bud would be down here attaching to the stem. So this is all petiole, and then the 3 leaflets of the clover. So all different kinds of leaf shapes. Look around and see what you can find as well.